Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech. Are you also trying to update Docker desktop on your system, or you have also installed on your system as a Docker and you got the update, so you want to update that Docker to update your and upgrade Docker on your system. So let's start and let's see how you can just do that. So if you have already installed, so you don't need to do anything. You just need to open Docker, just search Docker desktop. You will able to see the dashboard of your Docker. Just click to settings in the top side of the area and click to settings. Once you click to here, you will see software updates. This is the second last tab. Once you click to here, you will see some sort of options. First, automatically check for updates. So it is default, and once this is checked, we will only get the update information about that. This version is available for installation and upgradation. So just like here, I have only checked automatically check for updates. So if you want to download also, so you can just click to here and always download updates. So it will start downloading also. We only have to make it install. So let's do it and see how it is does. So let's click to download. It's taking a bit time to download. It's around a 500 MB of file. So let's see how much time it takes to download. It's not showing anything while downloading. Let's see. Yeah, you can see it's downloaded now. So update and restart. So it might restart my system as well. So be prepared and close any application that may cause any problem. So yeah, I'm just going to update and restart my system and let's see what happens. Yeah, let's click. Okay. It's taking a bit. Let's see. Yeah. Yes, it is asking for username and password to me. I'm just providing it. So screen would be look like black. I just entered. So you can see it is showing how it is being preparing for update. So it will take some sort of 1 or 2 minutes to make it upgrade, and then system will restart. Unpacking files. So if you're going to upgrade your Docker, so it may not cause any problem regarding your installed images, installed containers. So yes, you can just try to do it. So my system was not restarted while upgrading Docker. So this application is only restarted. So yeah, Docker desktop is starting, and let's wait a moment to see next updated version. You can see my all images are available here without causing any problem. So yeah, I'm going to that software update and we'll see you are up to date. So latest version has been installed now, so you can perform this activity like this. And if you are still facing any major problem, any major error, so you can try to download latest version and try to upgrade. And if you want any help or something, you can just do comment on comment section. I will try to help you out. And thanks for watching.